Hello everyone and welcome to Stamping with Ian. You can find me on my blog stampingwithian.blogspot.co.uk. Today, 10 cards in 10 minutes. Can I do it? Dead easy this. Memories and More card pack together with the Memories and More cards and envelopes. So no stamping to do as such. There might be just the odd bit, but basically, yeah, let's get to it, shall we? Listen to the music and enjoy the fun. Here we go. So there we go, 10 cards in possibly less than 10 minutes. I'll check it when I get the when the camera stops. Hope you've enjoyed this as much as I've had doing it. Hope you've been inspired, and yeah, Memories and More, note cards and envelopes, and the card pack. There's also in here the size that goes with the large note cards as well, which I've done separately here. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye now.